Now they got the clutch back in. Look at those new pads on there. Oh boy, that's nice. I'm going to put everything back together. That means putting the transmission back in. The first thing I'm going to do is... I know the transmission probably works pretty well. I was using it. I think it moved the car around. Going to put some kerosene and mix with oil in there, swirl it around, dump it out a few times, get everything all cleaned out. Probably going to leave the brake pedal and clutch pedal on there. Look at this. This right here. That leather. That's the original leather from 100 years ago, soaked with oil. That's to protect the universal joint. Torque tube bolts right onto there. The universal joint is inside of here. Cars nowadays, they don't care about protecting the universal joint. They just let it spin. But back then, it was all covered with mud. Mud would get all over the place. They'll ruin your universal joint in no time. That's leather. I'm going to leave it on there. After I put the transmission back in, put the rear end back on, move it forward, get the gas tank back in. There's the gas tank. Once I get the gas tank cleaned out and put back, I'm going to start this car. These are the stick shift and the parking brake lever from, this is from the car, this is from the spare engine. This one here, the parking brake mechanism doesn't work great. This one here, it's frozen with rust. I got to unfreeze that or use this one. And the shift mechanism works better on this one. That's first gear. It's reverse H, so first gear is on the right. Neutral, second, third gear. There's reverse. First gear, second gear, third gear, reverse, neutral. That sound is the snapping of the tar and oil, which has dried up over the 80 years into like a taffy consistency. It's thicker than Vaseline, it's like taffy. Now it's all cleaned out. Transmission's back in. Here's the grease I'm going to use, regular straight 90 GL1. None of that GL5 or 4. Time to put the shifter back on. Just like that.